Let's get started by connecting the LED to the breadboard. For example, long leg on row 11 and short leg on row 12. Place one end of a 220 Oro resistor in the same row as the long leg. Connect the other end of the resistor to a different row, for example, row 7. Use a jumper wire to connect that row 7 to pin 0 on the microbit. Use another wire to connect the row with the short legs of the GND pin on the microbit. Okay, here we go. Now, let's move to makecode. Download this code to your microbit and upload it using the USB cable. Your LED will start flashing once the code is uploaded.